Light has been one of the most spectacular topics in physics because everything we see is because of light. From the microscopic organisms to the farthest heavenly body, all of them we see because of light. In short terms, it is a key to exploration. Before talking about something more spectacular than light, let's take a quick look at what light is. Light is an electromagnetic radiation with a certain portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. Or in simpler words, light is a form of energy. Speed of light is 299,792,458 meters per second. Let's talk about tachyons, faster than light. Before starting, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Talking about something which is faster than anything in this universe fills us with excitement and joy. Tachyons are those theoretical and hypothetical particles which, if existed, they will always travel faster than light. This is a representation for a tachyon particle. Anyways, a group of three physicists, O.M.P. Bilanoik, V.K. Deshpande, and E.C.G. Sudarshan, thought of something faster than light. In 1962, they gave a theory in which they said that there may exist a particle having an imaginary mass and it will always travel faster than light. The physicist E.C.G. Sudarshan contributed the most in this theory, and he gave this particle the name metaparticle. Later on, Gerald Feinberg coined it the name tachyon. You should also know what tachyon condensation is. So, tachyon condensation is a process in which a tachyonic field, usually a scalar field, with a complex mass acquires a vacuum expectation value and reaches the minimum of the potential energy, while the field is tachyonic and unstable near the local maximum of the potential. The field gets a non-negative squared mass and becomes stable near the medium. We know that nothing can have a negative mass, but it exists in theories. Also, the theory is a little bit believed because of its given characteristics of a negative mass acquired object. First, it will never get affected by inertia. Second, it would go away from any object because gravity will act oppositely on it. However, E.C.G. Sudarshan was maybe the most underrated man of science to ever live. He discovered the tachyons and other topics in higher standard physics like optical coherence, Sudarshan-Glauber representation, the VA theory, tachyons, quantum Zeno effect, open quantum system, and spin statistics theorem. He was nominated 9 times for a Nobel Prize but never won one. He sadly passed away last year at 13th of May 2018. The man who did all this received awards from his country and won so many other awards but never won a Nobel Prize in physics. The awards he received were 2010 ICTP Dirac Medal, 2007 Padma Vibhushan, 2006 Majorana Prize, 1985 TWAS Prize, 1977 Bose Medal, 1976 Padma Bhushan, 1970 C.V. Raman Award. At the end, all I want to say is that may his soul rest in peace, and we all hope for a man of science who will prove Sudarshan correct. So this was necessary to inform you guys about him. Now, let me inform you about some other important things about tachyons. Many of you might think tachyons can't exist and are so sure about it. Those of you who know about special relativity might know that Einstein already said that light speed is the universal speed. That means nothing can travel faster than light, according to Einstein. So, according to Einstein, tachyons do not exist? The answer is no. Einstein meant to say that anything whose speed is slower than light will always travel slower than light forever. He didn't actually told us about what if something traveled faster than light. We can definitely say that something traveling faster than light will always travel faster than light without retardation. According to the special relativity, we can say that tachyons may exist because they do not violate the laws of relativity. I just proved to you in a simple definition why tachyons go comfortable with special relativity. At the first sight, they seem to violate it, but they do not violate Einstein's special relativity. Now, another fact here is very interesting, and it is called Cherenkov radiation. In brief, it suggests that a tachyon with an electric charge would lose energy as Cherenkov radiation. As it loses more and more energy, it travels faster and faster. Asking about tachyon's speed, if it exists, is nonsense, because even if they proved and discovered it, it would attain more and more speed each time it loses energy. Now, these were the things that suggest that tachyons may exist. Here are some problems and paradoxes related to the theory. First is the grandfather paradox. This paradox is related to time, and because tachyons will always travel faster than light, they will cause time dilation. I will explain time dilation with loads of facts in upcoming videos. I am sure you have heard about this paradox, which basically says that if you travel back in time and kill your grandpa or your parents, then how are you even alive at that very moment? Some think this paradox has a solution. That solution is the parallel universe theory, which means that the parent you just killed may be alive on the other parallel sides of the universe. I know this is very weird, but I will also explain the multiverse and the parallel universe theory in the upcoming videos. The second problem with tachyons is Einstein himself. He didn't really say that nothing is faster than light. He said that because he predicted that nothing is faster than light. But on the other hand, he was one of the greatest scientists ever. The man who was the best at what he did. It is basically Sudarshan versus Einstein in faster than light travel theory. But Sudarshan was quite a genius himself. Anyways, this mystery would be finalized in the future whether Einstein's prediction was right or Sudarshan was really underestimated and deserved a Nobel. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed all the knowledge about this video, and I hope you are liking our videos. If so, please subscribe to us and turn our notification bell on to see our contents as soon as possible. Also, leave a like and share it to your friends too. Peace out.